Alright guys, thanks for tuning in again. So I thought I might do a quick video on throttle cable setups. So anyone's ever done a conversion or test, throttle cables are horrendously expensive when they're custom. Now a while ago, last few I've done, haven't bothered to get one made because basically this is what I do instead. So your standard nib up the end here can be easily checked. It's a mountain bike cable, cheap as off eBay. Come through, they last plenty strong enough. So on the other end, obviously you end up all kinds of different connectors. For instance, on Suzuki Sierra conversions, where your throttle cable comes through where the normal nib is, you put an M6 bolt, use it like a little sandwich clamp, squeeze it up like that, holds the cable easy. So on the Galant, unfortunately, they're a little bit different. So this is what I've come up with. So these are just little electrical terminal connectors from JCar, $2.95. This is one of the bigger ones because the factory Galant nib was quite large. So what you do is flip him over, and you drill a hole through the centre. I won't do it now because I don't have a tripod. Under your screws, wind them right out, tap it out. You end up with this. So this, obviously this is just a bit of scrap cable, basically replaces the nib. Unfortunately you do end up with a bend there, which over a matter of years you might get issues with, but I've never had one play up yet. Basically you just feed that through, adjust it up, and you also end up with adjustment in your cable. So if you don't have any adjuster on your ends, because I wanted a bit more of a cleaner look, don't mind the cut, I haven't finished there yet. I wanted a bit more of a cleaner look, so I've got rid of, there's no adjusters on it at all. I'll probably regret that in the future, but I can adjust it at the pedal on this end. Anyway, I hope that helps people, and thanks for tuning in. Cheers.